Hey guys, my name is Helen.
And I'm Matt, and we are from Jazzco Consulting, and today we'd like to talk to you about our newest offer.
Now, before we go ahead, if you're wondering why Matt is so far away from me, it's because we're keeping up with the social distancing guidelines that the Australian government has set out because of the whole coronavirus pandemic. So we're trying to keep 1.5 meters apart. Yep, check. Cool, good to go. So as you all know, the coronavirus crisis has impacted organisations all over the world, and it's having to send a lot of people home, having them to work from home. But unfortunately, a lot of these end users don't have the right tools to be able to work from home productively. And in order to combat that, Jazzco has come out with a Windows virtual desktop solution called Microsoft Cloud Home Office, and we're going to be talking a little bit about that today.
Yeah, so Windows Virtual Desktop is the only single or multi-session Windows 10 desktop at the moment. It comes fully equipped with the Microsoft Office 365, all those your favorite apps with that, as well as Microsoft Teams, which is a huge and so important tool for any business at the moment. It's got instant messaging, it's got calls, it's got video conferencing, all these tools to help your business succeed within a hard time working from home. It's just so important.
Yeah, and the 6 of the top benefits that I think a lot of organisations will benefit from would be, well, the first one, first and foremost, is that it actually can be deployed within 48 hours within your organisation. So 2 days from today, you can have a full functioning and secure solution where employees can work from home and do so productively. The second thing is that it can actually work off any device, so you can access your work desktop from a tablet or an old computer. It doesn't really matter, but what that does mean is it means that you don't have to order a new laptop or a new monitor in order to be able to use the solution. So it means that we can get things happening a lot faster as well, and it also saves you a lot of money. The next thing is that it comes with Microsoft Office 365, so the Office suite, as well as Microsoft Teams, so with the whole chatting and collaborating. The fourth thing is that it is secured with MFA, so multi-factor authentication. That's a Microsoft product that will keep your remote desktop secure. The fifth thing is that it actually requires a lower bandwidth. So now that a lot of people are going to be working from home, you'll also have some kids that are at home. What that does is it actually puts a strain on your network because people are streaming, people are using the internet a lot more. So Windows Virtual Desktop actually reduces the amount of bandwidth that's used. So that makes it a lot easier for people to be working from home and using the solution there. And the last thing is the business utilization report. So we can actually allow managers and employers to be able to check on the activity of their employees. So when they logged in to when they logged out and whether or not they're being productive. We find that a lot of managers aren't able to completely trust their employees, unfortunately. So this is a way for them to make sure that they're all being productive.
Yeah, so overall, we've just tried to encompass everything that an organisation would want to be able to do and work from home. We feel like this is the perfect remote work solution. It's got everything you will ever need, really. So.
Yep, and best of all, this is something that I love. You can actually use Microsoft Teams across your whole organisation. So, for example, having a virtual lunch, just to make sure that all your staff are being able to still communicate and connect, because some of them will be alone and it does get really lonely. So what you can do is just have a virtual lunch where everyone's eating away and having those conversations that you normally would in the office, but from home.
And yeah, finally, just wanted to say, we can get this for you straight away. It's so simple for us. It's so simple for you. I think lots of organizations need a solution that's going to help them out straight away, and that's what we can provide. And it's not only just a short-term investment. This is a long-term investment for you. It's going to help you out in the long term. Even after this is over, you can still use any feature that we've got available in the solution. So. Yeah,
we don't know how long we're going to have to be stuck at home, so it could be for the next few months. So this is a cost-effective way to be handling that. If you guys have any questions or would like, I've actually linked the page below, so have a click and have a read. Reach out via our Contact Us page, or if you've got any instant questions, we're both on live chat, so you'll be talking to us if you reach out and have any questions. Looking forward to talking to each and every one of you about our solution.
Thanks,
guys.
See you later.